Hi, I'm Jitender from Espresso Tech Sales and Service. This video is going to feature the Saeco Philips Excelsis super automatic espresso machine, and it's going to cover how to run a cleaning tablet cycle. The basics that I'll cover in this video are pretty much going to be the same for most of the super automatics out there. The first things you want to make sure is that your drip tray is empty and that your water tank's full. Most of the machines will tell you to do so during the process, but it's better to be prepared beforehand. So, for the cleaning cycle, I am going to go into the menu setting, and on this machine it's going to be the settings menu. So I'm just going to click the settings menu here, and then I'm going to scroll down to maintenance settings. Of course, some machines such as the Tilia Ring will have slightly different setups, but in essence you have to go into settings and go to the maintenance settings to get to it. So I'll confirm, and I'll scroll down to brew group cleaning cycle. When I do so, it just confirms again with a message, are you sure? And yes, I'm sure I want to clean it. And as I said earlier, it will remind you on most machines to refill the water tank. So I'm going to go ahead and just say yes because I did that beforehand. Secondly, it tells you to do insert a cleaning tablet, and you do so into the bypass doser. On this model, it's just right up in the top. On the Tilia lineup, the bypass doser is just on the lid of your bean hopper. Now for the cleaning tablets, I'm just going to be using the Saeco cleaning tablets. They come in a pack of 10. They're a mild food safe detergent. And we recommend our customers to run these cleaning cycles probably about once a month if you make about 2 to 4 coffees a day. So I'll go ahead and insert that in and confirm with the machine that I've done so. And it's nice enough that this machine reminds me to have a little catch can underneath to catch the old coffee. Of course, you could just let it splash into your drip tray. You can put it into a cup. In this video, I'm going to be using a little milk pitcher here. A side note is that if your unit has the SPS, which is seen on the Tilia lineups and on the Excelsis and such, you want to ensure that it's rotated all the way counterclockwise as the video depicts, and that just reduces the strain on the system. So now that everything's in place, I have my cleaning tablets in, I have my milk pitcher in place, I have my water tank filled up, I can click OK. From here on out, it's pretty much an automated process. On this model, it takes approximately, I'd say, about 4 to 5 minutes to run the automatic cleaning cycle, and it'll pulse through the water, through the brew unit, through the lines, through the dispensing spouts, and this keeps it very nice and clean. It removes the coffee oils and the old odors from the lines and ensures that your cup's going to be very fresh from here on out. It's really important to be running these cleaning tablet cycles because most of the issues that we see around here are because of clogged, dirty brew units. So keeping that brew unit nice and clean and healthy will resolve, I'd say, about 50 to 60% of your issues that you'll run into. For those of you that don't have a digital display, for example, if you have the Tilia gyro or even the Odea gyro, what you could do actually is you could put your clean tablet in instead of pre-ground coffee and run the longest coffee possible. You won't get the same pulsing feature that the digital displays do with their automatic cleaning tablet cycles, but you'll be able to have a nice good clean and it'll help clean out your machine. Of course, running the clean tablets is not the only thing that you should do. Every time you kind of clean out your dregs door, you should be able to pull out your brew unit and give that a quick rinse under water, and that keeps it nice and healthy and removes the excess chunks of coffee. So this machine will go ahead and continue on with its cleaning cycle, but we'll go ahead and shut the video down right here. So I'd like to thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for our next video.